one day we'll create a home of honesty, of patience, of sincerity, of conversations that deepen slowly, and truths we don't hide from. We'll build our home with no misunderstandings to unsettle us, no doubt that would shadow our trust. I've imagined often, my love, how it will feel when we build this beautiful home. A place made ours, where we'll speak openly, listen fully, and love each other completely. A place we'll fill intentionally, making memories we could never let go of. And when that day arrives, I'll remind you simply that everything before is what brought us here, where each day together confirms why we've chosen each other. And I'll tell you how each moment spent on the journey to you was more than worthwhile. When that day comes, I'll be exactly where I've always wanted.